Welcome, applicants, to the University of Malta. In this instructional video, we will guide you through the application process for joining our university in the upcoming intake. Let's get started on this exciting journey towards your future with us. Preparation. Before you begin your application, make sure you have the following: the MATSEC result slip, any other academic records for reference, an accessible email address, a credit card to pay the application fee. Let's get started. It's important to note that even if you are sitting for subjects in the September session, you still need to apply before the first deadline if you are planning on enrolling for a course that commences in October. Open your preferred browser and visit our website at um.edu.mt/apply. We recommend using a computer for the best experience. Click on Undergraduate/Postgraduate under the Apply Now section to begin. Select your intake option and type the keyword for your first preference course name. As you type, related course options will appear. For example, if you're interested in the Bachelor of Commerce, start typing Commerce and select the appropriate option. The fields for faculty, institute, center, school, and the mode of attendance will be automatically populated. If you're unsure about the course you want to apply for, don't worry. We have a handy course finder tool and the course list on our website. Check it out for more information. You may also wish to contact the Student Advisory Services for further guidance. In order to set up an appointment, kindly access um.edu.mt/SAS. Retrieve your username and password from your MATSEC result slip and log in using these credentials. Do not attempt to create a different username or password. However, if you did not sit for MATSEC examinations this year, you will need to create a new user account. The system will alert you if the username chosen is already in use. Applying. Let's dive into the application process. Review the details you've entered and click on Proceed with Application. On the next page, you can also select a second preference course as a backup option. However, remember that this is optional. To be able to progress to the next page, you are also required to choose the qualification being presented. After reading the data protection statement, please proceed to review and add any additional details as required on the following page. Go through the qualifications section and update as necessary. Under Other Academic Qualifications, list any additional A-level or intermediate level passes you may have obtained that are not listed in the previous sections. If you hold any other qualifications like diplomas or qualifications from other academic entities, list them under Other Qualifications. Update the final page and use the comments box to add any notes that are relevant towards your application. Please note that this is optional and this section may be left blank. After confirming the last few statements, it's time to make the payment. Enter your credit card details as instructed for online transaction. Once completed, you will receive a confirmation email that also serves as your receipt. If you do not receive a confirmation email, you are kindly requested to contact us through admissions@um.edu.mt. Now all that's left is to wait for communication from our end. We will inform you whether you have been accepted or otherwise. Thank you for watching this instructional video. We hope it has provided you with a clear understanding of the application process. If you have any further questions or need assistance, do not hesitate to contact our admissions office on 2340-2233. We wish you the best of luck with your application to the University of Malta.